Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Profit Maximizer indicator. First, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see though. So to date, we have tested 253 indicators, and out of those 253 indicators, 97 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 97 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Profit Maximizer indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, Profit Maximizer indicator. You can see it here on screen. It's a pretty simple setup. We have a couple lines. They cross this, kind of similar to, you can think of like the parabolic SAR. A couple of the other indicators are kind of, similar to this, kind of visual representation of this particular indicator. But it has these buy symbols here, or the buy flags, and the sell symbols or sell flags or tags there. And the setup is pretty simple. When we get a buy signal, we are going to take a long. When we get a sell signal, we are going to take a short. So yeah, pretty simple. That's how we are going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get out of this indicator. Moving along here, we pick up a sell right there. It's going to be our first signal. Sell on that candle. Come down, and looks like we do get to the 60 pip take profit. It did gap down right there from 1 week to another. So on the close of this big candle, that was actually the end of 1 week and then the open of the next week on that next candle there. But it still got us to the 60 pips, and so that would have worked out in our favor. Continue playing it forward here, and we pick up a buy signal right on that candle there. Let's see what this one gets us to. And we get to the 60 pips on that one as well. So not too bad. You can see this one's not going to give us a whole lot of signals in a year's time. And so that is something to be mindful of when deciding what indicators to use. I mean, obviously, so far this indicator seems to be doing really well. But if it only gives you 2 or 3 signals in an entire year, then that can be problematic. And so keep that in mind. All right, so we pick up a sell signal right here on that candle there. Unfortunately, that one stops us out. And once again, kind of had the same setup as the very first candle, where it was the ending of one week, the beginning of another, and so it actually gapped down just slightly. And then often what you will see is that at the beginning of a new week, trends tend to change or at least get tested significantly. And so you can see that it was heading down nicely at the ending of the week, and then right as it gapped down and opened, it popped up really strong heading into the first 3 days of that particular week, and then it rolled over and started its way down. So that is definitely unfortunate, because we would have gotten to take profit had we not had that quick spike for the beginning of the week. So, and then that puts us at the end of the week right there. And so obviously we have 3 trades all together. We have 2 winners. So that's going to meet the 60% criteria. Definitely wish there would have been more trades with this one, but you can't win them all. So this one's going to go on the yes list for sure. And one more time, I did say this in a previous video, but I wanted to give another shout out again to all you viewers out there and everybody who comments on the channel and everybody who sends me messages on Discord. I've received 2 messages in the last couple of weeks from people on Discord who thanked me because the indicators that we have tested here on channel, they were able to take those indicators, they were able to build a trading system really quickly with them, put them through some testing, and then jump out there and get funded by some trading firms. And so they get a hold of me and they told me, I used your indicators, I went through them, put a system together, use those indicators to take the funding challenge with this firm or that firm, and I was able to get funded by that firm, and now I am trading with a large quantity of money that's going to make getting profit and becoming a full-time trader much easier. And so it really does make me feel great to know that I am helping people and getting indicators into their hands that they can really put together decent systems with, systems that can change their lives, and that they are able to go on and become a professional trader using the indicators that we have tested and discovered here on the channel. And so again, it really does make me feel great that I am able to help everybody out there, and that everybody is a part of the team and a part of the channel here that makes all this possible. So a huge thank you to everybody out there who is a part of the channel, a part of the Discord, and in general supports the channel and makes all this stuff possible for not only me, but for you and for everyone else out there. So it, again, really is a pleasure and an honor to be able to do this for all of you and with all of you. So thank you, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.